Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Maris Explains It All. Today I am showing you how I threw this really cute firefighter, like fireman themed party for my son's 3rd birthday. He has been really interested lately in rescue vehicles and Paw Patrol and specifically firefighting, so I thought this would be perfect for him. I know that I like to get ideas from other people's parties and kind of steal them to use for mine, so that was my idea when I figured I'd put this together and show you guys what we did in case you come up with ideas that you like. I linked everything in the description box below, so if you see something that you like, it most likely came from Amazon, but I put the link down there so you can follow along and purchase as well. And I don't make commission on those purchases. So without further ado, here's what we did. I decorated the mantle with a cityscape cardstock backdrop that a friend found on clearance at Target a while back, but you could make something similar from black and yellow cardstock. I also printed out some fire-themed icons and strung them on a red baker's twine to make this garland instead of buying one. And then I used a Dollar Tree Mylar balloon for the number 3, and then a fire truck that my son already owned to finish decorating this space. For the dining room, we hung a balloon garland with red, yellow, white, and black balloons and a kit from Amazon, as well as this Mylar fire truck, also from Amazon. And the table had another cityscape kind of from cardstock with a number 3 sign, and I realized I forgot to turn it on, so here's that. It's really cute. It lights up with Hollywood-style bulbs, and then just a couple little fire trucks that my son also owned. And then a blow-up Dalmatian mascot in the corner here from Amazon with a fire chief hat that all the kids wore. For the food, we had veggie cups, which we called forest fires, water hoses, which we had Twizzlers, which I just served in a glass, and then flames were Jell-O that I took the top off and had a fire image that I printed out and glued onto popsicle sticks and stuck in. We had some smoked meats and cheeses, which were just salami and pepperoni with some various types of cheese that I cut into cubes and put on a platter. We had flaming fruit sticks, which were pineapple, cantaloupe, and strawberry threaded on a wooden skewer. And then going around to see the cupcakes, we had red, orange, and yellow frosting swirled on chocolate cupcakes with a fire hydrant stand from Amazon that I've used before. It's actually a pretty good stand. And then we did little smokies, which are, of course, just pigs in a blanket. And then some Chick-fil-A nuggets because they're always popular, and matches, which were pretzel sticks dipped in red candy melts. Turned out really cute and tasted great as well. And then I'll come around and show you the cake. I just did a 2-tiered cake with some cute fire-themed kind of fondant elements to them. And inside I tried to do a red marble with yellow cake. So I did red velvet and yellow marbled. For plateware, I rolled black plastic utensils in napkins and wrapped those with yellow cardstock and silver washi tape and stuck those in a Dollar Tree bucket. And then these paper plates from Amazon. And I made some water bottle wraps and used packing tape to stick those on. And then the kids drank from these fire hydrant cups from Amazon with some Dalmatian straw toppers from Etsy. For activities, I used a large cardboard box and cut out some windows, wrapped it in a brick tablecloth from Amazon that was plastic, added some tissue paper flames, and then the kids basically used the bean bags to toss these into the burning building. And then also had this cup knockdown game with some red Solo cups that they could try to throw and knock down as well. Lastly, I printed these customized firefighter themed coloring sheets for the little ones, printed and designed from Etsy.
Can you blow them out? Good.
Yay! Good job, Levi.
Oh my goodness.
So that is everything. As you can see, super cute, and it was a really fun day celebrating with friends and family. Let me know if you have any thoughts, and also feel free to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you next time for the next party. Bye guys.